guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing. I see you all. Thank you so much for sticking with me till this present time. We are 300 subscribers. Yay! I was super excited. Like, I was checking. I was literally checking my YouTube channel like minute after minute after minute after minute, and all of a sudden I slept off and I woke up to 300 subscribers. Thank you so much to 300 of you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for sharing the link with your friends to subscribe. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that red button that says subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell notification so you don't miss a post whenever I put up new videos on my channel.